Presenting and Esports Superflow 120 Auto RGB V2 Case Fan Cooler. It also comes with Superflow 120 Kit ARGB, Octaflow and Royal Flow variants. It has a startup voltage of less than equal to 6 volts and operation voltage of 12 volts DC with a 0.16 ampere current and a speed of 1200 rpm. The fan ensures better airflow. The fan comes with single mode power interface. The fan has a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. It features dual-sided LED ring and stylish blade design. Due to its Molex connector, these fans can be used with any motherboard and built without the need for any RGB utility or header. The fan produces a noise of less than equal to 20 dB. The product dimensions are 12 into 2.5 into 12 centimeters and it weighs 160 grams. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.